Origin is a set of tools and standards that allows anybody to build a decentralized marketplace. And what that means is consumers can engage with each other in a peer-to-peer nature without having to trust who the counterparty is.
On the theoretical side of things, it certainly makes sense. There is a Herculean hurdle to overpass to be able to really deploy this to the masses. Having worked with this team at YouTube before, I have no doubt that this team is the team to be able to take on these challenges.
The reason we invested in Origin was primarily because of the team. They have amazing backgrounds and they come from iconic consumer companies, and so they're well suited for the task at hand.
At Pantera, we decided to invest in Origin because the team had a really strong product focus. They actually cared about the user and really focused kind of all their efforts around making the user have a really happy experience. I could kind of tell from our first meeting with Matt and Josh that they really understand what the user's problems are and how to solve them.
They've shipped code, they've launched products, and that's something that not a lot of teams in the blockchain space have done. That started really, I think, with their mainnet beta launch, which was a huge milestone, and then continued releases after that. And what we've seen is each time the product getting better, and it's live and people can actually use it, which is really exciting.
I mean, it's a classic example of something that's not going away, right? When we look at this world peer-to-peer, it's here to stay. Sharing economy, it's here to stay too.
We're talking about over 100,000 members around the world that is a hardcore fan of Origin. Origin has done a tremendous job executing at a global scale.
Origin stands out from any of the other decentralized applications that we've invested into because they've gone out there and have built probably the best community that we've seen. For us, that was a game changer, something that couldn't be done without blockchain or decentralized technologies, and we wanted to be at the forefront of that.